Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and I am a happy planner fanatic. I have an extreme obsession with the happy planner, and I have had that for the past over 5 years now. I would love to have you subscribed here on my channel. I post a video or more every single day, and it's all about how I use all of my different happy planners. This is going to be my mini vertical plan with me, and I am going to try to only use my Mildliners and a very limited number of stickers. I have tried to I went ahead and already made a key of what each of the colors are going to be for. And I've never done this before, but I really wanted to try it. Mom Run Craft, April, if you don't already follow her, you should probably go and follow her on Instagram. She is definitely the inspiration of this. She uses pretty much only Mildliners like every single week in her different planners, and I always love the way that it looks when it turns out. So I want to do that. So I'm gonna try. So this is definitely going to be time consuming, but I'm gonna try to pop on some music, and then you guys can just kind of like watch as I start filling it in. But I'll start a little bit with some of the stickers. I pulled these stickers out of the mini encourager sticker book, so I thought that would be something helpful. I also wanted to put in my steps, but the problem is they are a little bit too big. So I'm gonna cut each one. No, yeah, I'll just cut it, and yeah, and then we'll be good. Okay, so I have filled in everything that I know at this point, and then, you know, obviously as the week goes on, then I'll start filling in, or I will finish filling in everything else. So right now I'm just going to put a few stickers down here and there, and then I'll be all done. So I pulled these up out of the book with not really anything specific in mind, other than they match what I, you know, am picturing for the week. So that's kind of the thought process with that. And then each of these that I cut off of those things for steps, maybe I'll just pop up here for like a checklist. Just try something different. And then move this down a little bit. Maybe I won't do all of them though. Kind of seems like a lot. Okay. Okay, so there's that. And then I pulled out a little bit of washi that I thought would be a nice touch. So I'm using all fall colors. So I pulled out these copper polka dots that I thought might be fun at the bottom. Okay. And okay. And then this grid washi, I might just pull a little bit out and just put it in, I don't know, that might be a little bit too much going on. So maybe I won't do that. I'll just keep the dots at the bottom. Okay, so this, to me, I don't know if I am like in love with it or anything, but I think it's definitely functional. Next time I do it, I think I'm definitely gonna use a ruler, because I'm not liking how they're not perfectly straight. Other than that, I think I like it. It's nice to see everything in a certain coding system like this, because these are the main like 7 sections that I have in my planner every week. So all right, that's gonna be it. Let me know if you guys like this kind of video, and maybe I will do this every week in my mini. or any week that I don't necessarily have a theme, then I'll just do my mild liner. I think it's pretty cool. So here's a little close-up. Okay. All right, it's all done. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But until then, please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.